Hello everybody and welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Physics and Measurement from unit 1 of your NET syllabus in physics. Okay, that's all. Yesterday we have seen a very lengthy question which required more than 10 minutes to explain the things. Okay, now today we are going to solve a very simple questions, that is dimensions of stress are. Option 1 m L power 0 t power minus 2, 2 m L power minus 1 t power minus 2, 3 m L t power minus 2, m square L square t power minus 2. This question has been asked in the NET examination the year 2020. You know, it's a very simple question, but has been asked in the NET examinations. So we know that what is the formula for stress? The expression for stress is force by area. Force divided by area of cross section of the material. Okay, that's all. What is force? The formula for force is ma, mass into acceleration. Of course, only. Then writing the dimensions. For force, ma. So for mass, I am writing m. And for area, for acceleration. Acceleration is velocity by time, that is equal to L by t divided by 1 more t. So that is equal to L by t square. That is equal to L into t power minus 2. So m L t power minus 2 is the dimension for force. Okay, divided by area of cross section. What is the dimension of area of cross section? L square, is it not? L square. So you are having L in the numerator and L square in the denominator. When it goes up, you will have L power, it becomes L power minus 2. You are having L power plus 1 here. So m into L power minus 1. Okay, L power minus 2, L power plus 1. So finally you get L power minus 1. So m L power minus 1, t power minus 2. So m L power minus 1, t power minus 2 is the dimension of the stress. So option 2 is the right answer. Okay, we'll see one more question in our next video. Okay, that's all. So it's a very simple question. Yeah, but you cannot expect all questions as simple as it is. We have very lengthy questions and challenging questions also. Anyway, we will discuss each of these also. Okay, that's all. We'll see, okay, in the next video, we'll have one more question. We'll see one more question in this chapter, Physics and Measurement. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.